So today we are scrapping a notebook, and it's a Hewlett Packard, an HP 620. This one generally is too old to sell, so we will scrap it anyways. In this case you can see or not, but the battery release is broke, so it's already a reason not to sell it. You will have nice gold contacts in here, and a lot of time there is a board in here with gold contacts as well, and you have the corresponding gold contacts on the computer side as well, and they are really nice. It's a dark gold and pretty thick. I already went ahead and loosened all the screws. There's one, of course, it doesn't come loose. It's spinning around but it doesn't lift, so we'll probably have to break stuff. Right off the bat, nice ram sticks. I always would gladly take ram sticks, thank you very much. And the network cards are like these a lot. There's just a second. Okay, so they are small, those cards, but they always have nice gold on it. If you have a screwdriver, you can get him out with. Which apparently I don't have. Let's try this again. It's not. Okay. Well, we have to leave it in for the moment. And the cards, they also have nice contacts on them. Wait here. The plating on those is really good. So as well as the plug on the other side, it's gold plated as well, on the same quality. So that's really nice. It looks like. And this one, it has rather weird screws. I'm not too sure. They are flathead screws, and I'm not too sure if it's meant to be a security screw, or so that it's visible if somebody tampered with it, or if it's just the way they do it. Okay, that's the CD drive. We will take that apart later on. Okay, and by the way, the hard drive is missing. It was in here and it connects to here, so sadly that's gone, but yeah, okay. Okay, the keyboard of course will have minor. You already can see the silver here everywhere. And I have to go change the DVD for the camera. Just a minute. Okay. Yeah, let's see if we can get it apart, but I think that one screw that didn't come loose will make it hard for us. Okay, so we got to the trackpad. Oh, it's always nice to have, I like those. Okay, it really was work. There's nothing in this part. And this is the adapter for the missing hard drive. It won't have gold contacts here and here. They are, yeah, if they come out easy, they are worth doing for sure. Wow, okay, I had to really break that and rip that apart with my bare hands too. So the reason for that, let me find one of the ducks. Oh yeah, here is, can you hope you can see this? These are the weird screws they're using, and they're not coming off at all. They have a hole inside, so it looks like a Phillips head, but it's a slit in it, so it's a flathead, and I think they're there to prevent us doing from what we do. Always pop out the battery first, and when we have a look, we will have. Oh wait, I'm missing a gold contact. Oh, it's over there. Okay. So the battery compartment already has nice gold contacts. We already saw that card. I can't get it out at the moment, but and then we have a gold corner PGA. Otherwise, it's not much on it. We have a couple of MLCCs. They are not labeled. We have small BGAs and nothing much really. There will be a processor or CPU underneath it, obviously. So let's have a look at that one. Yeah, okay. It's just a. Oh, wait. Really dirty. There we go. Oh, has some usable pins, so not too unhappy. For the moment, I put it back in, just so I don't lose it. And yeah, there's nothing else on there really. The gold contacts here from the RAM, that's not, don't do them, they're not worth your while, but these two are. They're from the hard drive and CD-ROM, and on the other side, there's nothing. There's one BGA here, 2 or 3, and there are some MLCCs. And in the slot card, oh yeah, before I forget, you have some copper of course and some aluminium in the heatsink, so maybe that's interesting. 1 second, the cat is coming. Okay, the pins in here are not, I wouldn't hassle with them, unless it turns out they come out on their own more or less than you can, but other than that, I would not. Okay, so that leaves us with the screen, which hopefully will have some nice fingerboard in it. I really hope it does, because that's fingerboard, that's another item that I can't get enough of. I really like them, just for the way they look. The view of them, well, it's not that much, but yeah, never mind, I like them. Okay, I'm sorry guys, I will have to quit the video at this point because I need tools here that I don't have in the house. This is a weird, it has a nut to loose the screen, and I don't have that here. So I will take it apart, I will take apart the screen afterwards, off the camera I mean, and then I'll show you the final haul. Okay, so however, there's still the matter of the disk drive, and you might already know I don't like doing them. Yeah, that's nice. This is all gold plated by the looks of it. Could be brass, but it looks gold plated. Okay, that's a super tiny board. There's just one tiny BGA on it, and that's it. Nothing on the backside by the looks of it. Yeah, and it's completely empty on the backside. So, a waste of time. And again, I'm sorry about the screen mashup that you can't see that, but you wouldn't expect. Again, I'll do it off camera and I'll put the content in the final whole picture, but we can expect one fingerboard and another board for where the camera will be mounted, and the rest will be waste. So yeah, there you have it. Enjoy your day.